Hello everyone, welcome back to our 3 minutes Pandas series. In today's episode, we will dive into data manipulation using Pandas. Specifically, we will learn about sorting data, dropping columns and renaming columns. So let's get started. So before we begin, let's import Pandas and set up our sample dataset. So I'll do the import Pandas SPD, and this is our dataset. Name, age, gender, income, birthday is our columns. And if I will run this one, so let me put also let me print the data frame. Yeah, so this is our data frame. Now there are many scenarios where we wanted to sort one of the columns. So here we will sort by age in descending order. Okay, no, sorry, in ascending order. So we will write df dot sort values sort underscore values, and we will provide the column name in the argument which we need to sort. So I'm providing here age, and if I will run this, so if you can see here, previous data frame was 25, 32, 30 and other. Now we have the sorted columns 24, 25, 30, 32, and you can see here that the index numbers are now go according to the age. Okay, so now let's move to the second function, dropping column. So many times we need to drop a column which we don't need in our analysis. So for dropping a column, we will simply write df dot drop, and we will provide the column name and then access 1. And if I will run this one, then you can see here, then we don't have income column here. And there are many chances where you want to rename some column names as well. So in order to rename your column name, we have this function rename. So we can use df dot rename, and in columns we wanted to provide the column name which we wanted to rename it, and the new name. So I'm changing from income to salary. I'm changing from income to salary, and if I will run this one also, this will change the column name. So that's all from my side today. Hope you like the video. Subscribe to our channel for 3-minute Pandas tutorial. Check out our playlist also for the other complete series, and connect with us on social media and other platforms. So thank you.